Welcome to Helix Composites Thailand. Nestled between hills and walking distance from the ocean, we are located directly next to the runway of the Bangpra Airport in central Thailand. We are the manufacturing arm of Helix Propellers and are tasked with the production of many of the propellers sold around the world by Helix. My name is Nok. I'm the general manager of the facilities here.
What happened? Why you smile?
I will be showing you around today, so let's get started. Our propellers are made primarily layers of carbon fiber infused with epoxy resin. The process begins in the cutting room, where we cut carbon fiber layers from large rolls. The density of each layer varies depending on its placement within the propeller. We use the same materials, stencils, tools and techniques at the production facility in Germany to ensure consistency across our line of propellers. Once the layers are cut and the epoxy is prepared, it's time to begin laminating. This is the most critical part of propeller building process. Every single layer must be correctly applied for the propeller to have a chance of passing inspection. The propellers are then baked at the high temperatures to allow the resin to cure before they are removed from the foams and brought to the deburring station. Deburring is the first of many quality control checks during the production process. A visual inspection of the propellers is made before the excess material is removed using a bandsaw. The second round of inspection tests for gaps in the lamination. It takes a lot of experience and sensitive ears, but the acoustic inspection is an excellent form of non-destructive testing, exposing defects faster than other NDT methods. Defects are marked and the propellers are cut open to investigate the cause and severity of the defect. The propellers are then sanded down to their final shape and sent off to the third round of inspection, and if necessary, minor cosmetic repairs. Using precision scales, we measure any inconsistencies in material distribution in the propellers. Minute amounts of resin are injected into the propellers at specific locations to correct any minor inconsistencies. CNC machines are used to drill bolt holes and any other cutouts as per customer specifications. Our facility is split into two departments, fixed pitch and adjustable propellers. Adjustable propellers are a little more complicated. After lamination, inspection and balancing, the propeller blades are molded into milled aluminum blade roots and final pitch adjustments are made. Nickel cobalt leading edge protection is applied and another visual inspection is performed. We also manufacture many of our own spinner-based plates using the same lamination and inspection process as our propellers. It's easy to believe that anything made in Asia is the product of a sweatshop with underpaid and overworked employees producing subpar goods in mass. But Helix Composites is not an assembly line staffed by enormous workers. We are a small team of highly trained individuals. We are experts in what we do, and we care about the propellers we produce. We work closely with our German counterparts and with each other to ensure a high level of quality, consistency, and expediency, regardless of who touched the propeller first and who puts their name on the final inspection. Many of us have been with Helix for years, and we stay with Helix because we know what we do here is valued, not only by Helix, but by the community of pilots who literally trust their lives with what our hands can produce. Thank you for coming along on this short tour of our facilities. I hope this tour has given you an insight into the pride and dedication that goes into every propellers we ship. As we say here in Thailand,
สวัสดีค่ะบ๊ายบายโอเคบอกพอย่างหนูบ๊ายบายแล้วนะเอาอีกอยู่บอก เอาให้ว่ายังไงอ่ะ